The cyclone Yas landfall has begun near Dhamra port in Odisha at 9:15 am on Wednesday, even as strong winds and heavy tides saw seawater increase in many coastal towns and villages in Odisha and West Bengal ahead of the landfall. The landfall process has begun and it will take 3 to 4 hours to complete the process. The maximum impact will be in Balasore and Bhadrak district, Odisha's Special Relief Commissioner P.K. Jena has said. He said that the location of the landfall is north of Dhamra and south of Bahanaga, close to Bahanaga block on the coast. Jena said about 5.80 lakh people in vulnerable areas of Odisha have been shifted to safe shelters. West Bengal government had on Tuesday also reported that 9 lakh people have been evacuated to storm shelters. Though IMD had earlier on Tuesday forecasted that the wind speed during landfall would be around 155 to 165 km per hour to gusting 185 km per hour, the Doppler radar data now indicates that the wind speed is 130 to 140 km per hour. Meanwhile, cyclone Yas is crossing Odisha border south of Balasore. It will reach Jharkhand tomorrow morning. It caused heavy to extremely heavy rain in Odisha in the past 24 hours. North Odisha and coastal Odisha expected to receive heavy to extremely heavy rain today. Indian Air Force meanwhile has pressed its choppers into services and deployed its personnel to assist the NDRF in the relief and rescue operation. Mumbai's Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport also has witnessed the cancellation of flights between Mumbai to Bhubaneswar and Kolkata. Approximately 6 flights consisting of 3 arrivals and 3 departures have been cancelled so far. Flights to other regions continue to operate on schedule. In West Bengal's Digha area, water from the sea entered residential areas in East Midnapur. Ahead of cyclone Yas landfall, many coastal towns also witnessed a tornado. Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying Rs 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it, and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.